Anglican Archbishop Jackson Ole Sapit koro dwaro ni bad migao mar arita omany yo mar thiro njore gi maundu ma okwako paw siasa e pachoka. Sapit ma oloso e kaunti ma Kisii wacho ni tulo mag siasa ma medo nya e pachoka kelo luoro ne jo Kenya kendo nyalo tero piny kamarach.
So my call to those who are maintaining law and order, particularly the Minister of Interior and the IG and the DCI, and those who are managing public order, please take over charge of public order and remove it from the hands of goons. Because if we continue to see goonism in this country reigning without being abated, then it is preparation for chaos, and we don't want that chaos. We want peace for businesses to thrive. Even whoever is looking for leadership, you don't want to lead a dispersed nation. You need to lead a nation that is cohesive and united, and you need to lead a nation that belongs to